Hi friends! Welcome back to Uthra Srini Kitchen, the language of good food. If you're watching our channel for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Today's dish is a South Indian street food stuffed banana pepper fritters, also known as stuffed Mirchi Bajji. It is so delicious and it's not spicy at all. These fritters pair really well with coconut chutney, ketchup, or date and tamarind chutney. Enjoy this delicious stuffed banana pepper fritters with a cup of tea. Don't forget to check out our Instant Pot Irani tea recipe, also our lemongrass chai latte. Let's first deseed the peppers. Slit open the peppers and remove all the seeds without breaking the peppers. All the peppers are deseeded and ready. Next, let's make the filling. For this, we have boiled potatoes. Add red chili powder, salt for taste, amchur powder. You can substitute amchur with chaat masala. Mash everything well. Our first filling is ready. Let's make our second filling. This filling is a sweet and sour filling. Add coconut, brown sugar. You can substitute brown sugar with jaggery, red chili powder, ajwain, salt for taste, tamarind pulp. Mix well. Our second filling is also ready for stuffing. Take one pepper and fill in the stuffing like this. Some with coconut and brown sugar filling. And now some with both. Let's make the batter to fry the fritters. To a mixing bowl, add chickpea flour, rice flour, salt for taste, red chili powder. Orange food coloring is optional. Asafoetida. Mix well. Add little water at a time and make a thick batter. Let's heat oil in a pan for frying the fritters. Dip the stuffed peppers in batter and drop into the hot oil. Fry all sides until golden brown. let's fry the rest of the fritters. This is optional, but it gives a really nice taste to our fritters. In a mixing bowl, add finely chopped onions, chopped cilantro, and some chaat masala and mix well. Plate stuffed pepper fritters and top with prepared toppings and enjoy this delicious stuffed banana pepper fritters with a cup of tea. Comment down below your favorite filling. I like both the fillings. If you have any recipe requests, comment down below and we'll be happy to make them. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you like our channel, please like, share, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification bell to receive our updates. Catch you soon in our next video. Bye!